The world is changing, they say. We know. We know because the world has always been changing. And we know because in big ways and small, we've been the ones making the change. Change is in our nature. Powering our planet, we've been helping those who have dreams to wake up and make those dreams real. But this time it's different, they say. Everything is connected, happening at a blistering pace. We know because we are the ones making the connections, so our customers can communicate at the speed of light. We also know that we need to safeguard our planet. And that's why we are working harder than ever to develop new technologies for a brighter future. Where does this knowledge come from? Experience, sure. But knowledge is powered by innovation and collaboration. All it takes is one person to turn an idea on its head. Instead of climbing to the top, why not fly? When everyone else is coming up, why not go down? Find order in chaos and riches where money cannot be found. With ideas big and small, the world is changing. We are the ones making the change. We are ESB.